everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to disable or enable your Windows update on Windows 11 computer, and it is very similar for Windows 10 laptop also. Now just click on search button and type services. In search result, you can able to see the option services and click on that. Now slightly scroll down the screen. At end you can able to see the option Windows Update. Now just double click on it, and in startup type just click disable and give apply and OK. Now you can able to see Windows Update is disabled. Now you need to again turn on your Windows Update, means just click on that and change the startup type to automatic or manual and give apply and OK. And again right click on Windows Update, just give start. Now your Windows Update has been started and there is no problem, it is working properly, so that's why it's showing us running. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.